pre-plastic and volumetric themes. The fundamental spatial themes inaugurated in the 15th century continue in the following centuries, and through the work of many great artists, they were enriched with volumetric and decorative motifs of such diversity that it will be in vain to attempt to synthesize them in a few features. The 16th century develops a central aspiration of the 15th century, a vision of absolute space, which is easy to read visually and which is expressed through arrhythmic elements of equilibrium of proportion. The Temple of San Pietro in Montorio by Bramante, inaugurated in the 16th century, constitutes a declaration of the beginning of that century, with elements such as central scheme, centralized floor plan, proportional buildings, dimensional and space relationship, solid plasticity, order, monumentality, and a theory of arcades. Then the character of the architecture of the 16th century becomes not so much in a renovation of the spatial conceptions, but in a new sense of volumetry and of the static of and formal balance of the masses, which means a reinterpretation of the spatial dialectic of the previous century, reinforced and solidified by a taste that puts a line in a chromatic plane, plastic sculptural abundance, and a constant, almost monumental solidity. Therefore, the articulation of spatial, volumetric, and decorative plan becomes a logical dictate that dominates and organizes everything.